Hello, thanks for joining me again. Today I found this little mold. It's from Julia Art Studios and it's a holographic small heart mold. Um, and I thought, and don't laugh at me, I thought black cold heart. I know it sounds weird. I'm perfectly in a happy mood, but I thought, oh, I wonder if I could make a black heart. So I mixed up just 4 ounces of JDiction high gloss round bottle, lower viscosity resin, and I thought, well, let's give this a try. I divided it evenly amongst these 4 cups. In my first cup, I put Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Onyx. It's a black with like a blue tint to it. In my next cup, I wanted to do some shimmer, and I almost went with silver interference, but then I remembered I had this iridescent bright silver Liquitex acrylic ink, and I thought, well, let's go with that. I put 3 drops in here. I didn't want to use too much. I don't know how much it's going to show up. I debated putting some black in there just to give it a little something more. But then I said, that's okay. I forgot to tell you, I put just 3 drops of this in. In this cup, I used 5 drops of this resin colorant. I don't even know the brand. I had it over there. Oh, you know what it is? It's Decorum. I love their alcohol inks, so I got their resin colorants. And this is a gray black. So, yep, I mixed up a bunch of black. Then I did a pea-sized drop of Let's Resin Ocean White for our white. And I am going to do dotting, as many as I can do with this very small amount of resin. I don't know that I'll get the 2 full rounds in, but we'll see. All right, so let's put that to the side and let's start with some of our blue black. And I like to drizzle it on the side a little bit anytime I have these types of molds. Get it in the nooks and crannies. Then I'm going to do some of this silver. Same thing. Just up on the sides a bit. I'm going to use almost all of this. And I think I'm just going to take this one and pour some in the center. And now we need our white to start our dotting episode. I don't have enough resin to completely fill this mold. I only had 4 ounces left. So that's what we're using. And I wasn't sure how this would come out. It should come out good, but I don't know. I did not let the resin warm up. I don't for the daisy belly or fairy flower effect. We just use it room temperature for me, which is about 74 degrees today. I cut kind of a small hole in here, so it's having to squeeze. Normally it just drops right out, but I am squeezing to get it out. Of course, I'll tell you where to go to get past the dotting, so you don't have to watch this. With this one, I don't worry about making sure they're in between each dot and all that. Generally, it works out okay. It's not like a fireworks where you want to make sure that you have dots in between dots. This, not so much. know if I've done this mold like this before. I feel like I probably have. I'd have to go through all my videos and check. And I was just thinking about it because it is kind of a weird shape that I'm going to go into now. The little heart. And even when I pour my pushes in, I'm planning on pouring them into the center. And I don't know how much that will push the sides up. We'll see. That's why I was trying to remember, did I do this before? I'll put a few more over here. All right, first round done. Now our blue-black. I'm doing all of it. I'm also going to do the rest of my silver. And then just a tiny of this black. Tiny, tiny bit. All right, in this round I start in the center. It did push pretty good, didn't it? Up into the sides. Better than I was anticipating. This is kind of weird. Maybe I should start on the outside again. Because the circle's not really gonna be the right shape, is it? Let's go back to the outside. Gotta move it up in my bag. All right. And then our push. Hopefully I got that kind of centered. I did grab some black crushed glass bits. I thought we could use these. Going with my black theme. I know it's not going to be too black because of the white, but we'll see how it works out. It sort of looks like I've got it centered right. All right, I got a new torch. If you have been watching my videos, you know mine broke. I am gonna wait like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come give it a hit with the torch again. Let it degas some on its own, but we'll be back when it's time to unmold it. See you then. All right, let's see what I was able to achieve with this resin. Is it black? Does it look like a stone? Or I don't know, whatever else it could be. Let's see. Oh, wow. It actually looks like a flower. Kind of defeated my purpose of like a black piece. It's just too pretty to be what I was going for, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty, and the holographic mold is amazing. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see the holographic. I don't know if it's coming through right. All right. Thank you for watching.